Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap.
Sangria, $12.
These little town blues are melting away.
La Bella Ferrara Pasticceria. Oh, there you go. Gelato.
In old New York, if I can
Non ritoni mai più.
I'll make it
Wow.
anywhere.
$7 beer and classic slice.
New York, New
That is a meatball.
$5 wine, beer, and sangria.
Well, if it starts pouring, we're ducking into one of these places.
Okay. Bella ciao. No, that's not. Buonanotte. Good night. Yeah, this reminds me of The Godfather when he's going back to Corleone when he was young, Robert De Niro, and he was walking on top of the. They probably did film it here.
Did you see him at Chinatown? You were satisfied
Yeah,
with
it
it?
is.
Because we're getting a lot more.
Yeah, might as well. I just actually wanted to see this
Casa
one.
Bella.
Little Italy, baby. Casa Bella. Looks like Europe now.
Guys, lunch. Are you hungry?
We're not.
Are you paying?
No, absolutely not.
Oh, well then I'm not that hungry. Cafe Napoli. Napoli. There's Chinatown over there. Chinatown on this side. Yeah. That's what they were saying, that it's taking over. Welcome to. This is actually where it starts.
It's up to you.
A little Italy. That's much good. I just love Italian food. Cafe Napoli. Mulberry. Buongiorno. Appreciate it. Buongiorno.
This reminds me of like when we lived in Italy.
Yeah.
Christmas and war. So cool.
It is cool. Umberto's Clam House. Oh, that's awesome.
You got a table inside.
Any pasta.
Look at that.
I love it. It's just like Italy.
Go away. Look at the Christmas store.
You want to go in there?
Not really.
Okay. That's weird. You must not be feeling good because normally you're all over Christmas shit.
Like,
Well, we can sit down and relax, dude.
gotta pick a place where we want to sit down. But are we gonna? We're not gonna eat. Or are you gonna eat? I thought we weren't hungry.
Oh, it's fine. I'm not starting to eat right now.
It's called dim sum.
Homemade pasta, brick oven pizza. Cannoli King. Cafe Palermo.
Now, if we're gonna do something like that,
Something like what? Baby, if you want to, you pick. Why do I always gotta be the one picking?
because I like it.
Yeah. Look at that cannoli right there.
Oh, dang.
Carbon spicy rigatoni.
This is massive.
Yeah. Fucking
No wonder
awesome.
people don't even have to leave like a four,
Yeah,
4 or
a
5
whole
block
block.
radius.
Come on. Italian Food Center. Yeah, if you want a gelato, you want a dessert. Oh, this is awesome.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is. La Bella Vita. Hey, La Bella Vita. The beautiful life. I know I saw that. Vuoi mangiare? Yeah, waffles. It's like being in Venezia. La Mela. The Apple. L'Amore Ristorante. Hey, look. Moretti beer.
Fresh pizza, fresh pasta, fresh seafood.
Look, pizza, pasta, gelato.
Shine like it had too much wine. I don't want to smell like this. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and we'll sing the
I don't want to smell it.
that land. Hearts will play, tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay.
Are you seeing anywhere you want to go? I know you're tired, baby. I can see it in your face.
When the stars make you
know what I mean?
blue, just like a pasta fazool, that's all. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, senor.
You let me know what?
Excuse me, but
The
you
Woolly,
see back in old
Trattoria,
Napoli,
Pizzeria,
that's
Bagliacino. Oh, I know. Gelato italiano. For rent. And we're about a random Asian place. I think this is about it, bud. So, what next? Yeah, but the rain's like done.